Good morning, guys. So today I'm gonna do another vlog. It's been a while. I decided to vlog today because I have some errands to run, so I felt like this vlog would be more entertaining than all the vlogs I posted where I literally just stay in my apartment all day. So I literally waited when I wanted to do my errands today. I was gonna do them last week, but I was like, I'll vlog next week, so I paused on my errands. Anyways, I just did my first 30 minutes on the elliptical, and then now I'm having my coffee, and then for breakfast I'm having this little pumpkin chocolate chip cookie, which is really maybe not breakfast. I would consider it a muffin, but this company sent me some baking mixes, so I made these last night and I have a bunch of them, so I figured I would have them for breakfast and dessert. I have a recipe for something similar on my blog, and they're probably better than this because they're like entirely homemade, so I'll link that below. You should definitely make them. They're the best, like one of the best fall treats. I'm also going to show you one of my favorite places to get breakfast burritos in LA. So that's exciting. I have my grocery list all written out. I need to go to Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. I haven't been to Whole Foods like since I worked downtown. So I'm going to get a few things from there, like maybe produce, because I feel like it would be better there. And then I have a huge list for Trader Joe's. I got this little cute magnetic pad on Amazon. I'll link it below. I still want to do one of those Amazon favorites videos. I just don't wear makeup enough when I'm home to like film something like that, but if you guys want it, I'll get my act together and do it. I'm gonna put on some makeup before I go out because I feel like I'm going to a particularly like judgmental area of LA, which is like very close to where I live. So I'm just gonna do a light makeup, nothing crazy, because it's like half of my face will be covered by a mask anyway. Just finished the elliptical, changed into like a biker shorts and this white shirt, which I don't really like because it got stained yellow from my sunscreen, but it'll do for errands. It's hot, so I don't want to wear like actual like a cute outfit. I just want to wear white where it's like lighter. Oh, I forgot to put on primer or whatever. I don't care. It's fine. I'm trying to get rid of the rest of this naked foundation. It's not my normal vibe. But got dressed, finished the elliptical, played music for a little bit because one of my neighbors that I hate was, well, I hate all of my neighbors, was playing music. So the game that I play is if you're gonna play music and I can hear it through the wall, I'm gonna play music on my Google Home and blast it, and then it stopped. Been watching some vlogs and I just really want to leave LA. Like, I don't want to be here. It's too hot. I just want like fall weather, pumpkin spice, baking vibes, and rain and leaves and gloomy weather. I feel like I have like reverse seasonal depression because during the summer I'm like not happy. I don't like summer. I could do without summer, honestly. It's too hot. I don't wear shorts except for biker shorts, and that like just started a few months ago. So I'm a fall girl. I wear pants every fucking day. I could wear pants my whole life. Here's the fit. So boring. White shirt from like Target, and then these biker shorts are from Aerie, and then slides because since I'm not walking I don't need to wear tennis shoes. And I'm waiting for my Uber now. Yay! Okay, just got my juice at Creation, and now let's go get a breakfast burrito. So here we're coming up on Joan's. It looks kind of busy, so I don't think I'll take a video there. I'm nervous. I don't like vlogging in front of people.
You don't go that fast. My mom should wasn't.
So you can't see me, but hopefully you can hear me. But I got my juice. The reason why I went there is because they Instagram DM'd me when I went to another location and said they would give me a VIP card. So I was like, oh cool, I'll go. But they didn't have it, but they gave me the discount anyway. So that was cool, I guess. I just got a few things I'll show you when I get home because I'm like gonna do a whole grocery haul. But yeah, just got my food. Let's see. I guess I can take my mask off now. Breakfast burrito. Yes. This was always my favorite here. I didn't really like breakfast burritos that much until I came here. Oh shit, look at that. So it comes with sour cream, green salsa, and I got hot sauce on the side too. So I never got hot sauce with it before, but I'm trying to get into hot sauce. That was a lot. I don't know why, but I love sour cream on breakfast burritos. So good, definitely get it if you come to LA. I'm gonna finish this burrito and then head to Whole Foods so I'm not hungry shopping. Whole Foods, yay! And the Britney Spears pop-up that is probably closed right now. Okay, so I'm back. That Lyft ride back was so chaotic because my Whole Foods bag broke. So I got back here and unbagged everything so I can do a brief little haul. But right now I'm drinking one of my kombuchas I got. This is Health-Aid's Grape Vibes. I'm trying to become a kombucha bitch and it's working. This is my first time trying this flavor. It might be my favorite. My favorite before I think was the rosé one. Okay, so I'll go in order. First I went to Creation. I got a Happy Juice and then this little vitamin C shot and a chlorophyll water. I just thought that would be fun, and since they gave me that discount, even though they didn't have it, the guy still gave me the discount. Thought I would try it out. And then at Joan's, I don't get the guac in my burrito, so I got it on the side, and then this is the salsa. I just figured I would get chips at Trader Joe's and save those. At Whole Foods, it was kind of a fail. I just got these 2 peaches and then all of these drinks. Big fan of beverages, as you can tell. I got 2 of these Booch Pops. I see Kenzie Elizabeth talk about these a lot, and I got the Palmberry flavor. I wanted to try them out. I got a few kombuchas, the one that I was drinking. I got 2 GT's kombuchas, Divine Grape. I'm like, grape kombucha just sounds good, so I got that. And then I got this hard kombucha that's Pina Paradise. 3% alcohol is really jack shit, but whatever. I guess that's like a soft beer. And then I wanted to try a Health-Aid Plus because I've heard people talk about these because Health-Aid's been sending them out. So this has orange, vanilla, and L-theanine, and it's the happy one. I should have looked at the flavor. I don't know if I'll like this, but maybe it'll be fine. And then the last drink, I got 2 Ollipops. I also hear a lot of YouTubers talk about this. I tried the strawberry vanilla at a restaurant. And it's pretty good. It's just like a little prebiotic beverage. It doesn't have many calories. I think it's only like 35 calories because it has some juice, but I got strawberry vanilla and cherry vanilla. And then at Trader Joe's, I got some apples, onions, bananas. I like getting bananas at Trader Joe's because they're like 19 cents. Some chicken tenders. I wanted to try these cauliflower thins. People have been talking about them. I think Brooke Michio had these. I want to make a little pizza out of them. And I have these sweet potato ribbons, which I really like. They're just nice to saute up for whatever, really. Got some potatoes. I have some curry, a curry sauce from Trader Joe's that I haven't used yet, so I'm gonna put potatoes in it. Greek Kalamata olives and cornichons, which I love snacking on with like cheese and crackers. I got 2 of the cornichon. I would really recommend getting it at Trader Joe's because they're $2.99 and at the store they're like $6.99. I got teriyaki beef jerky, trying to get back on my health grind, and then one of these chomp sticks. I don't know if I'll like this texture, but I thought I would try it. I also love when I have my little cheese moment, these dried pitted cherries. I always thought they were Montgomery cherries, but they're Montmorency. These are so good, way better than raisins. Raisins are lame. These are good. Since it's fall and it's baking time, Trader Joe's comes out with the vanilla bean paste. This is great if you love baking. I've never tried theirs before, but I thought I would get a backup because I already have vanilla bean paste, but the more the merrier, and this is only $4.99. My favorite sun-dried tomato chicken sausage. I have this like all the fucking time. Rosemary ham is really good for a little sandwich moment. I got tortilla chips just because I had that leftover guac, but I'm sure they'll be nice to eat anyways. Pretzel slims that are everything bagel seasoned. I usually get regular pretzel thins at the grocery store, but I thought I would try these. For the freezer, I got some brown rice if I make that curry. For the freezer, I also got, oh, it's melted and leaking, Trader Joe's mango chunks and pineapple tidbits, which are the best to have with tahini on it, frozen as like a dessert or a snack, or in smoothies. Then 2 kitchen staples, the olive oil spray and black pepper. Since I bake a lot, I like to have this whipping cream because it's shelf stable. You don't have to put it in the fridge. So I just got 3 of those for all the baking I'm going to be doing in the fall and winter. And then I got a vanilla pumpkin candle because I didn't buy any like Bath and Body Works ones and I kind of regret it. It smells good. I just like that festive scent, and I'm almost out of all of my pumpkin candles if I'm not already, so it was my bad for not getting Bath and Body Works, but this is fine. And then last but not least, I got 4 bottles of wine. I shouldn't have really got the wine, but I didn't wind up spending as much money as I thought I would today, so it's fine. One of my 2 classic Trader Joe's wines that I almost always get are Wish Flower and the Côte d'Aron. This one's $6.99, this one's $4.99. And then a recent favorite is this Griffon one. These are all reds. I got it because of the label at first, and I really like it. I think that one's like $5.99, $6.99. And then this Cabernet Syrah, which I also got because of the orange label. Also like that one. I think it was $5.99, but I'm a red wine girl, so I got all of these, even though I shouldn't have, but I like drinking wine.
We are experiencing a high call volume. The expected wait time is more than 30 minutes. For faster service.
That was a flop. I get benefits for groceries since I don't have a job, and they for November they took away 90% of the money that I'm getting for groceries, so that would screw me over, but calling didn't really do anything. It was like a 30-minute wait, so I didn't want to do it. So now LinkedIn, hate it. There's literally no jobs right now, and it fucking sucks because I really need a job. I'm gonna try this guac. It's like $5.20. I would normally start eating dinner by now, but I'm not super hungry. I feel like today's gonna be one of those weird days where I don't really eat much. That breakfast burrito just like got me lit. This guac is good. I definitely would not want it on my breakfast burrito though. I'm really weird about stuff like that. I'm a pretty picky person. So much cilantro. I hate cilantro. I got my ballot in the mail. I just did dishes and I'm watching Unexpected on TLC, which is interesting. So guys, make sure to vote. We can't deal with this for another 4 years. I don't even want to deal with it for another 4 months. I'm gonna end this vlog off here. I'm just gonna shower and probably eat something and then watch TV because Big Brother's on tonight, and that's about it. Nothing interesting, so I might as well end it now. I'll see you guys next time, but if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to follow me at Olivia Frescura, and if you're new to my channel, you can subscribe down here for more lifestyle videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.